Massage this into your face, and you'll cancel all your beauty appointments. This method costs almost nothing and contains no chemicals at all. Take one banana and peel it. Eat the fruit, it's good for you, and cut the peel into smaller pieces. Banana peel is a true natural antioxidant. It has anti-wrinkle and brightening properties. Put the chopped peel into a blender. Add 2 tablespoons of cornstarch. It's another ingredient that makes your skin silky smooth and refreshed. It soothes and gently tightens the skin. Then pour in 1 cup of water to give the mixture a more fluid, creamy consistency. Blend everything until smooth and uniform. Pour the finished mask into a clean, preferably airtight container. Apply the mask to your face, neck, or hands using gentle circular motions. Leave it on for 20 minutes. For best results, use it regularly. This is a truly simple and natural method worth trying if you want to care for your skin in the comfort of your own home. Cut the cotton pads in half and place them in the fridge. The next morning, you won't believe the results. Use regular cotton pads that you usually use to remove makeup. Today, I'll show you another use for them. Take scissors and a few cotton pads. Cut them in half. Pour a bit of green tea leaves into a glass. Pour hot water over them. Do not brew with boiling water. Green tea contains many vitamins. Loose leaf tea, not tea bags, has more health benefits. It has anti-atherogenic and anti-cancer properties. When the infusion cools down, prepare a small bowl and pour a few teaspoons of tea into it. Add a small amount of coconut oil. A bit at the tip of the teaspoon is enough. The oil will dissolve in the warm tea. Coconut oil has antibacterial, anti-inflammatory, and antiviral properties. Place the cotton pads in the bowl with oil and tea. When they soak, place the bowl in the fridge. This way you can store them longer. Stretch the soaked pads before use and apply them under your eyes. Leave on for 20 minutes. Dark circles under the eyes will disappear. Such a mask stimulates blood circulation and moisturizes. Use regularly every morning or at night, and you will be pleasantly surprised by the results.
Natural mask that removes blackheads and pimples. Preparation takes only 5 minutes. Prepare 4 aspirin tablets. It contains acetylsalicylic acid, which helps fight acne. It exfoliates and softens the skin. Lay out a piece of plastic wrap on a board, then place the tablets on it and cover with another layer of plastic wrap. Using a hammer, crush the tablets into powder. This will help them dissolve faster. Transfer the powder to a bowl. Add a tablespoon of plain yogurt. It is rich in vitamin B and proteins, soothing irritations, and promoting skin regeneration. Like a soothing dressing, it helps reduce redness and discoloration. Add a tablespoon of honey. Mix everything together. Honey is an antioxidant that blocks free radicals, helping to maintain youthful skin. Finally, add almond oil. It gently moisturizes the skin without leaving a greasy layer. This oil effectively rebuilds the skin's hydrolipidic barrier. Thoroughly mix the mask to achieve a uniform consistency. It takes literally 5 minutes to prepare, and its effects are wonderful. Apply the mask to the face and neck. Leave it on for 15 minutes. During this time, the ingredients will penetrate the skin. Rinse with lukewarm water, gently massaging. Aspirin helps remove dead skin cells. Blackheads and pimples won't stand a chance.
Put Cabbage on your face. Your neighbor will ask where you get your treatments. Cabbage isn't just for the kitchen, it can do wonders for your skin and joints too. But your face isn't the only place it works. Cabbage is also great for sore knees and elbows. This humble vegetable is packed with natural anti-inflammatory compounds and vitamins that many people don't even know about. Just tear off a fresh cabbage leaf. Those are the ones with the most powerful healing properties. They help soothe pain and reduce swelling in joints. You can also use the thicker leaves from the bottom of the cabbage. Tear off 3 large leaves, slice them into smaller pieces, and store them in a jar in the fridge. That way, you'll always have a natural remedy ready to go. When needed, grind the leaves into smaller bits for easier use. Then take a piece of plastic wrap, cut it to size, lay the cabbage on it, and place it on the sore area, like your knee or elbow. It's simple, but incredibly effective. Want to give your skin a glow-up? Cabbage makes a great natural face mask, too. Just strain the juice from some cabbage leaves, add 3 tablespoons of flour, and mix well. Pour the mixture into a pan and heat it slowly until it thickens into a creamy mask. Apply it to your face regularly. Let it absorb, and your skin will reward you with a healthy, radiant glow. It's a simple, all-natural way to relieve pain and care for yourself right at home. It works like an iron for wrinkles. Look 10 years younger in just 1 minute. Made only with natural ingredients you already have at home. In a large mug, add 1 tablespoon of chamomile. It has anti-inflammatory properties, soothes irritation, and reduces swelling. Pour boiling water over it and let it sit for 5 minutes. Once the infusion cools slightly, strain it. Add 2 teaspoons of oat flour to the mug, rich in antioxidants. It also soothes and gently tightens the skin. Next, add 4 teaspoons of the brewed chamomile. The next ingredient is olive oil. It moisturizes, smooths, and provides the skin with vitamins A and E. Add 2 teaspoons. Mix everything thoroughly until you get a smooth, slightly creamy consistency. Apply the finished mask to your hands, neck, and face. Focus especially on areas where wrinkles are visible. Leave it on for 20 minutes. That's enough time for the skin to absorb all the goodness. Afterward, rinse the mask off with warm water. Enjoy nourished, smooth, wrinkle-free skin. This is a natural way to look younger. No expensive products or treatments needed. Try it out and see how quickly your skin regains its glow and firmness. Add lime to your Nivea cream to give it properties comparable to luxurious cosmetics. While this recipe may sound strange, I guarantee you'll start doing it yourself. Lime has many uses for both home and health. Citrus fruits are rich in vitamins and minerals. The vitamin C in lime has antioxidant and brightening effects. It also stimulates collagen production. When combined with Nivea cream, it creates a product that saves you both time and money. To half a jar of Nivea cream, add about 1 small teaspoon of lime juice. Then, add 2 tablespoons of powdered milk, which contains natural lactic acid, providing hydration and exfoliation. Mix well. Also, add just under a small teaspoon of petroleum jelly. Petroleum jelly locks in moisture, making the skin more hydrated and elastic. Mix everything together. This combination of 3 ingredients creates a fantastic cosmetic. Apply this mask to wrinkles or dry spots on your skin. Gently massage it in and leave it on for about 20 minutes. Regular use improves the skin's texture, giving it a fresh, youthful appearance. This mask can be used for many purposes.